Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Keyczar is a cryptographic library for Python that provides a simple and easy to use interface for various cryptographic operations, including digital signatures. However, Keyczar doesn't directly provide functionality to verify signatures signed using X.509 PEM certificates. For X.509 certificate operations, you might want to use a different library like OpenSSL or cryptography. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to verify X.509 PEM certificate signatures using the Python cryptography library, which is a popular library for cryptographic operations. We'll perform the following steps. Here's a step-by-step guide. You'll need the cryptography library to work with X.509 certificates and perform signature verification. You can install it using pip. For this example, we'll assume you have an X.509 certificate, in PEM format, and a signed message that you want to verify. We will extract the public key from the X.509 certificate and then use it to verify the signature on the message. Replace your original message data here with the actual message data that was signed. If the signature is valid, the script will print signature is valid. Otherwise, it will print signature is not valid. This example demonstrates how to verify signatures using X.509 certificates in Python. Make sure to replace the file paths with the actual paths to your certificate and signed message files. ChatGPT.